Did you know that graphs can help people to visualize information? Yes, sometimes there are too many numbers and it becomes so difficult to hold them in one head. Yes, even in two heads, it becomes difficult to understand and to share information. That's why we use visual representations of numbers, and that's when the graphs are become important. That's when we draw the graphs. Yeah, so here is an example of how you can present some number information in a graph form, in a graphic form as well. Yes, hear the story Lemonade for Sale and see how you can draw the graph based on this story. Hi, I'm going to read you a book which is called Lemonade for Sale. And this book is written by Stuart J. Murphy and illustrated by Tricia Tusa. The members of the Elm Street Kids Club were feeling glum. Our clubhouse is falling down and our piggy bank is empty, Meg said. I know how we can make some money, said Matthew. Let's sell lemonade. Danny said, I bet if we can sell about 30 or 40 cups each day for a week, we'll make enough money to fix our clubhouse. Let's keep track of our sales. Sherry said, I can make a bar graph. I'll list the number of cups up the side like this, and I'll show the days of the week along the bottom like this. And she listed Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Well, Saturday and Sunday they had a weekend. Yeah. On Monday, they set up their corner stand. When people walked by, Patty, Meg's pet parrot, squawked, Lemonade for sale! Lemonade for sale! Matthew squeezed the lemons. Meg mixed in some sugar. Danny shook it up with ice and poured it into cups. Sherry kept track of how many cups they sold. Sherry announced, We sold 30 cups today. I'll fill in the bar above Monday up to the 30 on the side. Not bad, said Danny. Not bad, chattered Patty. On Tuesday, Patty squawked again. Lemonade for sale! Lemonade for sale! And more people came by. Matthew squeezed more lemons. Meg mixed in more sugar. Danny shook it up with ice and poured it into more cups. Sherry kept track of how many cups they sold. Sherry shouted, We sold 40 cups today. I'll fill in the bar above Tuesday up to the number 40. The bars show that our sales are going up. Things are looking good, said Meg. Looking good, chattered Patty. On Wednesday, Patty squawked, Lemonade for sale! So many times, he squawked it so many times that most of the neighborhood stopped by. Matthew squeezed even more lemons. Meg mixed in even more sugar, and Danny shook it up with ice and poured it into even more cups. Sherry kept track of how many cups they sold. Sherry yelled, We sold 56 cups today! I'll fill in Wednesday's bar up to a little more than halfway between 50 and 60. That's great, shouted Matthew. That's great, bragged Patty. They opened again on Thursday, but something was wrong. No matter how many times Patty squawked, Lemonade for sale! Hardly anyone stopped by. Matthew squeezed just a few lemons. Meg mixed in only a couple of spoonfuls of sugar, and Danny's eyes melted while he waited. Sherry kept track of the few cups that they sold. What had happened? Sherry said, We sold only 24 cups today. Thursday's bar is way down low. Why is that, I wonder? There goes our clubhouse, said Danny sadly. Patty didn't make a sound. I think I know what's going on, said Matthew. Look, he pointed down the street. There's someone juggling on that corner, and everyone's going over there to watch. Let's check it out, said Meg. Danny asked the juggler, Who are you? I'm Jed, said the juggler. I just moved here. Sherry had an idea. She whispered something to Jed. I wonder, what did she whisper? All right, on Friday, and it is their last day of sales, on Friday, Sherry arrived with Jed. Jed's going to juggle right next to our stand, Sherry said. That day, Patty squawked, Jed juggled, and more people came by than ever before. Matthew squeezed loads of lemons. Meg mixed in tons of sugar. Danny shook it up with lots of ice and almost ran out of cups. Sherry could hardly keep track of how many cups they sold. We sold so many cups today that our sales are over the top. We have enough money to rebuild our clubhouse. Hooray! They all shouted, Jed, 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 and they started clapping. Will you join our club? You bet, said Jed. You bet, squawked Patty. The end. While you're listening to this book, you can draw your own bar graph that looks exactly like this. So you need to put the number of cups on the left-hand side like this, and you need to write the days of the week here in the bottom, so that each bar graph over here will illustrate how many cups they sold each day. Zero is here, and we have two lines, the vertical line and the horizontal line. On the horizontal line, we're gonna put our days of the week. Let's show our days of the week. So the first day of the week is Monday, and our Monday is going to be here. So this square is Monday. Wow, nice picture. I love pictures. So this looks like we're traveling on the mountain. So we're going up the hill, and down the hill, and then the mountain becomes too high, but we can still climb up. Yes, woo, all the way up to the mountain top. I really like pictures. Yeah, using graphs really help people and dragons to see the information and to understand it even better. Bye-bye.